Hi, beautiful people. Today I bring for you. So, not just today, I'm always share natural hairstyle, guys, with you. I select something beautiful, guys, and I bring for you. If you want to style your hair, but you're looking something simple, I hope you're going to find it here on this channel. So, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm always share natural hairstyle with cars, without cars. So I feel different cars. Like if you're a teenager, you can find here your hair. If you're not, you can find here your hair. So I share different hairstyle on the on different way and the different types of hairstyle. So it's better if if you do not find here any style, so you can check on my other video. I'm really share beautiful hairstyle. Another thing, I want to thank you guys, everyone who is on my channel. I to subscribe, like, share. So, guys, I'm really proud of you guys. Thank you so much. And if your first time to find this channel, just know this is a source of natural hairstyle. Share different hairstyle. I bring here some clips, the short clips, but I add those clips and I bring it here so that you can find something here to put on your hair. Okay, guys, so it's better if you like the style. So don't forget subscribe, don't forget like, don't forget share. Okay, guys, and you can see this is really so beautiful and nice. Teenager, you can use this hair. If you don't, it depends on you. It depends your hairstyle you should like to put on your head. So if you like this, why not? You can use it. Okay, guys, look at this. Really, really so, really, really so beautiful. You can see, number one, it's easy. You can do it yourself. And I think if you don't, if you cannot do it for yourself, you can go to salon and someone to help you to do it perfectly. So, guys, and this one, this hair, it's really nice, and other important, it protects your hair. If you decided to use this hairstyle with your natural hair, I'm really sure 100% you're going to protect your hair. Without, you will not need to put anything if you want to use this hair to protect this hair. You see this, no girl, So, guys, I hope you're going to like it. You're going to enjoy it. You first see this. Really simple, really, really simple. You just say, if I select something beautiful and you like it, okay, guys, you can drop a comment down there so that you know, so that I can know if I select nice. So this is for G natural hairstyle for black lady. You can find it here if you want to style your hair, if you're looking something to style your hair every day for work. You can come here so that you can find something to put on your hair. And the same thing, you have to look good as a teenager, as a lady. You have to look good always the time. So look at this, really so beautiful. Wow. So, guys, and you're gonna see this when you can try. Really, you're going to find here something to put in here. And I told you, if you don't find it on this video, something to put on your hair, I say I'm share different hairstyle. So it's better to check on my video. So I'm always post hairstyle, and don't forget subscribe, click the bell if I post. Remember, I'm always share different hairstyles. So if you click the bell and you subscribe, when I post a video, you're going to get notification that you can find something. I say, as a woman, as a teenager, as a lady, as a girl, you have to look good. Always, you have to look good. So look at this style. I support you if you're a teenager. You can use this style. It can makes you feel so comfortable. It can makes you feel so beautiful, you know. So guys, I hope you could like it, you could enjoy it. Say something if you like it. Guys, enjoy the video up to end. I hope and I think I share beautiful hairstyle and I choose beautiful styles. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. God bless you more than you think. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share. Enjoy the video up to end.